So first I perform is deep squat. So deep squats include gross lower body strength, improve joint mobility, hips, ankle, and knees. They can also help with back and pelvic stability by relaxing muscle, enhance ball balance. Regular deep squatting can strengthen muscle, increase flexibility, stimulate bone density, and improve core and back muscle strength for overall function fitness. So as you can see, increase strength in muscle activation, enhance mobility, improve posture and stability, better knee health, natin, bone health, So, second is hurdle step line improve. So, ito yung ginagawa ko pag ako ay nag-hurdle. So, improve hurdle technique. Focus on maintaining square hips and shoulder leading with the knee and pulling the tail leg through the hurdle. So, ayan, details ko. Paano ako mag-details na 400 hurdles ko. So, nakikita nyo. Dapat hindi siya tumama sa hurdles. Yan yung isa ka technique. So third, step line athletic step is likely refers to using step up or step assisted stretching to improve flexibility and range of motion. So yung bigat ng katawan natin, para masanayan natin mag step line gamitin para balance yung katawan natin. Even though front and back and side, such as a stair base of stretch where you place the bullman or running, so you can improve the body. So ayan, tamang pag-exercise by preferring joints and muscles. Para sa mga matatanda, pwede dito. Number 4, shoulder mobility is the ability to move shoulder joints through the full range of motion. So essentially, for daily activities, athlete performance involves the coordinated movement of humerus scapula. So to improve mobility, you can incorporate exercise like shoulder rolls, doorway, ginagamit ito for javelins, throw, shot put, ginagamit nila nito, even though sa sprint. So my choice of strength leg is high knee. Our cardio-intensive exercise performed at fast pace. It engages your core, strengthening all muscles and your legs. Get your heart rate up and improves momentum, coordination, and flexibility. So, mga sprinter ito. So, number 6 is push-up. Build upper body and core strength, improve bone density and cardiovascular health, boost muscle endurance, and enhance functioning fitness for every activity. So, need talaga ito kahit sa amin athlete, push up para lumakas yung shoulder namin, upper, para makaswing kami ng maayos. Hindi lang sa athlete, lahat ng good games ginagamit din ito. And lastly, rotary stability. Multi-planar movements essential for proper coordination and energy transfer in activity like throwing, kicking, and even fundamental movements like crawling. So, nagamit ito through balance, football, volleyball. So, pwede din ito sa lahat ng sports. Stability pattern, function, movement, screen. So, balance to. Opposite niya.